Alright. Should I?
The mini Marios. Portrait of the mini Marios.
Should use a mushroom?
Why not?
We're gonna get a bunch more.
Yeah.
Let's go! Let's go! Time to fuck.
Whoa! Is it me?
Yeah, your Wii remote's off.
Okay.
That's what we get for taking a 5-minute break.
No breaks. Whoa! Here we go!
Oh god, it's an airship. Wow. Mario 3 airship.
Look at this camera.
Oh, that's from Super.
Yep.
Oh shit, that sucks. Oh shit, you gonna clap?
Oh fuck, I was watching you. Would die.
Oh fuck, how do I get up here? Jump from here.
Jump.
Alright, hold on. What? Oh my god, did you see how far away I was and it hit me? Fuck. What the hell's going on, man? Oh, now the flame's there. Are you serious? Come on, man. Go, go, go.
Oh.
Okay.
There you go, got it. Choke that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Look out. Stay against the wall. Didn't work. That was close.
In the fire.
These are the guys who used to kill fucking Bowser in the first game, remember?
Yep.
Or in a Mario World? Yeah. Mecha
Cool.
Koopas. Got him. Fuck out of here. How the hell did we break through here? Oh! Alright, fuck this. Fuck the blocks.
Yo blocks.
Fuck your blocks. Oh, what the? Oh no, remember this? Do you I remember this.
What have you done?
No! Gotta be ready for that.
Walking or something?
Watch, I'll do it. What the hell? Oh, they changed it. It used to be that it used to be you run on it and it just keeps moving constantly as you run on it.
On this one.
Now you have to keep jumping. So that thanks for changing the gameplay, you fucking assholes. I don't even say, you know, how are we supposed to know that?
I thought something was because I just walked.
Yeah. That's what it used to be. You just keep running one direction and it would move.
Just now they can 3D rendering.
Now look what the fuck we got, man.
It's not bad. It's right here. I guess you don't have to go that way. What do I want to do?
Yeah, but there's probably a coin there.
Fucking coins, man.
Oh shit!
Oh yeah.
Well, I guess we're going that way. I butt stomped and went into pipes.
This one's.
I didn't even mean to do that. Alright, yep, ready? I fell off the edge.
It's really weird. It's like Zach jumps. Oh god,
you killed me.
Yes, that was my intention.
Jesus.
It was like 5 lives. Can't get it!
Yay! Nicely done!
The bombs just explode when you freeze them.
I wonder why this pipe... Oh, the pipe's spitting out the bombs? No.
There's a POW thing.
Huh. How the fuck do I get across here?
Start freezing shit.
Fuck, come on, man. Whatever. Oh, okay. That works. Killed everything.
Let's go.
Oh, the bomb landed on my face? Hold on.
That's our bomb there.
Boom.
Oh yeah. Now what?
Now it's fucking more bullshit.
That's crazy. Jeez, Mario. What the fuck?
What happened?
Where'd I go?
Where did you go?
I was trying to like all this shit falls. This is exactly Mario World. See? But you do something different, really.
You gotta land on his head with these things.
See, even now how they made it. Oh god damn it.
Yeah, you gotta land on his head. Good job.
Somebody fully fucking dead.
Fuck. Couldn't get high enough.
More. There we go. See, like, even the way they, like, drew the ship thing,
yeah.
was, like, the same.
Huh.
Like, with the sprites and shit.
Huh.
They did a nice job with that.
Whoa! Well, I'm glad that we stopped, or we attacked him and stopped the ship, but didn't save the princess.
That was the red ship? Princess is in...
He has a fleet of fucking ships?
Yes.
Oh shit, it's the Caterpillar. He's in this?
Yep.
What?
No.
This is the wooded area.
Oh yeah. What was it called? The something woods?
I don't know. I like the Mario World map the best.
Mm.
Remember you could, like, travel across?
Yeah.
It was like a fucking journey, man.
Yeah, it was like, yeah, it was
really,
pretty
like
cool.
you felt like you were really going somewhere, you know?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.